Get ready to create something beautiful. Today on City Foodie Farm, I will show you exactly how to make your own bee or butterfly garden. Hi, welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today we are going to be creating a butterfly garden, and I have a special guest with me today. It's Eloise. Do you want to talk about the butterfly garden?
Mm-hmm. So I think we have it.
Yep.
We have it last year. That's why it's kind of. I think it's dead. I don't know. The flowers.
Yeah, the flowers die off.
Yeah.
And during the winter.
Mm-hmm.
But last year, what we did is we removed some sod in an area of our yard that was really unsightly. It's an area where we used to have a tree, and there's always been like this little hump in the yard. So what I thought is, why not make it into a garden? So last year I removed all the sod and kind of flattened it a little bit. And I picked up some of these boxes from the dollar store. Here's a wildflower blend. It says pollinator, so it's good for the bees and butterflies.
And also we have
This one too.
2 of these, I think.
Yep. And then we also picked up some zinnia seeds, which are my favorite.
Yeah, me too.
Zinnias are beautiful.
Yeah.
And once they bloom, they last for a long time.
You can't really see me.
And then also we have some sunflower seeds. Those are beautiful too, and the bees love them.
We also got some more zinnias.
Yep. Yep.
We have
Lots of boxes of these flowers.
Yeah, sometimes we have bees pollinator our flowers when we had the bee garden over by our house. So that's why we have bees. And we also have bees in our thing.
The vegetables.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's why the pollinator gives us food to pick off and then eat it. So that's why.
The bees help us, I think, is what she's trying to say, is creating these different gardens, flowers, or vegetables. It just helps everything.
Yeah.
But last year what I did is I actually went through, I don't know if this is gonna make a difference, but last year I went and collected all of the dead pods, so I could try to use some of these seeds as well.
See me, that's okay.
So today we're gonna kind of till up the dirt a little bit. We have some plants that are already growing in there. I did add a little bit of some perennial plants in there, like some bee balm and some other things, just to kind of make it look a little bit better for the springtime. So let's go out there and we will get to work.
Yep, we'll see you. Bye.
This is our bee garden from last year. Okay guys, this is the area that we are working with. This is the bee garden. Here's some bee balm that came up. Cosmos. I think these might actually be zinnias. And we even found this one that's blooming.
So my mom's working.
Before we sprinkle on our seeds, we want to till up the dirt a little bit, avoiding the little plants that have come up.
Zinnias.
I think we should start with the box ones first.
Okay.
Let's do the wild pollinator ones.
What's the one?
Okay, we're gonna push back the dirt and then you can sprinkle it in.
I just use my hand, I just do a little.
You'll want to sprinkle each box of seeds on your garden and spread it around. Make sure it's spread evenly. And now you'll want to cover the seeds with a little bit of dirt. Here's a view of those wildflower seeds I saved last year from this bee garden. And we'll sprinkle some in and see what happens. Now it's time to find a couple areas to add your sunflower seeds and your zinnia seeds. All you need to do is just move a little bit of dirt, sprinkle some seeds in, and then cover it with dirt.
And there it is.
You used to love June bugs when you were little.
And they have sticky feet. So if you find one, then it should look like this. And it has sticky feet.
Yep.
And you can pet it too, guys. It's really nice. It doesn't bite at all. And June bugs always go on your feet or your legs.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at the June bug. It's okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. There we go.
Found a worm too.
Yep. And you can find these in every garden.
Now that all of our seeds have been added, our garden is complete. We just need to lightly water it and keep watering it and watch it grow.
That's how you make a butterfly garden.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe. Thank you.